Searching through a database with phpMyAdmin. This video assumes you've already logged into phpMyAdmin. Now let's learn how to use the search feature. First, select the database you want to search, then click the Search tab. Let's search the name field for the name John, using the % before and after our search term as a wildcard. This means that phpMyAdmin will search for any data containing the word John, even if it has text before or after it. When ready, click Go. That's it! Our search query returned one result, and the term we searched for is highlighted here. From here we can edit, copy, or delete the data, whatever the reason was that we needed to search for the data in the first place. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use the search feature in phpMyAdmin.